Intel is back in the headlines, not for a new chip release, but because the US government just took a 10% equity stake in the company. That's an $8.9 billion investment at $20.47 per share. The move has sent shockwaves through Wall Street. So today, we're breaking it down. Is Intel a buy, hold, or avoid? One may ask, why is Intel trending now? Well, here's the story. The government converted CHIPS Act grants and secure enclave funds into ownership, making Intel officially a strategic national asset. The US now has skin in the game, with warrants to expand its stake if needed. Investors reacted instantly. Intel stock surged as much as 7% on the news. But does this really change the long-term outlook? Is there a reason to buy, hold, or avoid? Well, let's begin from the bottom. Intel is still miles behind NVIDIA in AI dominance. AMD continues eating into its server CPU share. And TSMC leads the world in manufacturing. Even with government help, Intel could become a slower, politically entangled utility stock instead of a high-growth tech giant, and this is the reason why I will say no to Intel right now. But if you already have this in your wallet, then here is a caution to hold. Intel has struggled for years to deliver on its roadmaps. Government backing doesn't erase execution risk. And with Washington holding equity, Intel could face political interference, from where it builds factories to what chips it can export. That could slow innovation and cap investor returns. Now, on the bullish side, government backing means Intel is now too strategic to fail. That $20.47 entry price acts like a floor under the stock. Plus, Intel is set to benefit from domestic manufacturing, defense, and AI infrastructure contracts that rivals like NVIDIA and AMD may never touch. If Intel executes on advanced chips, the upside could be huge. So what's the call? As an analyst, I rate Intel a hold with a cautiously bullish tilt. It's no longer a stock to avoid. Government equity makes it safer than before. But it's not a screaming buy either. Think of it as a long-term stability play in US semiconductors, while NVIDIA remains the growth king and AMD the nimble challenger. Now, we want to hear from you. Will you buy, hold, or avoid Intel? What's your move? Don't forget to drop your pick in the comments. Hit like if you found this breakdown useful, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you never miss the next big investing update like others did with Palantir.